Cooking with whole spices and dried herbs has an awesome way of accentuating any recipe you're working with. Here are tips for adding more flavor to your dishes with whole spices and dried herbs. All things are not created equal. There is a conversion factor between ground and whole spices and dried herbs. Dried herbs have a 3:1 ratio to fresh when cooking. This means for every teaspoon of dried herbs, like rosemary, you'll use 1 tablespoon fresh herbs. For spices, it is recommended to cut the volume used by 25% when working with whole versions. This means if the recipe calls for 1¼ teaspoon ground mustard, you would measure out 1 teaspoon mustard seed and grind with a mortar and pestle or spice grinder. One more tip, to get the most out of your whole dried spices, toast them before grinding. Get more tips like these on BigY.com. Until next time, be well.